A Sunday drive on a scenic highway, a rush hour on the way to work. Bridging gaps between communities and commerce has been the primary focus of roads in our day-to-day lives. What happens when the integrity of our roads begins to crack and crumble due to high-volume use, severe weather conditions, or simple lack of care? It's important that long-term investments are nurtured to maintain the original state they were intended for. A quality solution for others to travel on that is safely engineered and preserved by professionals and the equipment they choose to use. Over time, a road surface becomes brittle and fragile, causing cracking, loss of friction, voids in roads, and ultimately hazardous conditions for drivers and their passengers. Fortunately, there are solutions that are paving the way for construction specialists to identify weaknesses in roads and effectively solve problems through prevention before any heavy rehabilitation is required. It's important to choose the right solution for the right road. SLURRY and microsurfacing are top-quality, durable solutions available in road maintenance and preservation. Although SLURRY does not solve all issues that plague the roads we drive on, it is the most effective form of road maintenance. This prevents the financial consequence of doing too little to repair it or waiting too long to maintain it. So what is SLURRY? SLURRY is a combination of emulsified asphalt, fine aggregates, water, and additives that are precisely mixed together to spread over a prepared surface. With the capability to be applied in multiple layers, SLURRY can lengthen the life of existing pavement by providing a protective guard against oxidation, water and sun damage, and freezing temperatures. What's the difference between SLURRY and microsurfacing? Microsurfacing is a specialized version of SLURRY. It is designed to retain skid resistance while prolonging the life of the road just as SLURRY is. Microsurfacing uses a polymer-modified emulsified asphalt, water, and additives with a faster setting time due to the chemical makeup. It is applied in thicker layers for high-volume roadways that need to dry quickly. Remarkably, microsurfacing can dry in 30 minutes, compared to a 2 to 5 hour set time for SLURRY. This ensures that traffic interruption is kept to a minimum, or can be done overnight. Cars can begin to drive on the surface 1 hour after it's been applied. It's that fast of a product. It's important that SLURRY is applied to prepared surfaces. Roads showing the signs of damage need to be clear of imperfections that can affect the outcome of the quality of the project. Microsurfacing and SLURRY are applied to roads that are in good structural condition and have had failed areas repaired, cracks sealed, and roads swept of any debris that could prohibit the emulsion from sticking to the road. SLURRY and microsurfacing benefits are clear. They are unique in their abilities to restore quality to old surfaces, prolong resistance to wear and tear, and increase overall friction on the roadways. This translates to longer-lasting investments and high-quality, safe roads with increased pavement performance. Valley Slurry Seal Macropaver Division is an expert in the field of pavement maintenance. Whether it's equipment designing and development, technology and advancement, or training on equipment purchases, VSS Macropaver is a leader in the industry. Collectively combining forces with leading asphalt and emulsion technologies, VSS Macropaver is the single solution for all pavement maintenance and equipment solutions, specializing in SLURRY and microsurfacing needs. Since 1990, Valley Slurry Seal has been a pioneer of innovative and quality solutions for the road paving industry. In 1919, the family-owned company began transporting asphalt. In 1950, the first slurry machine was built. Following that, in 1970, Valley Slurry Seal began hot mix and quarry companies. Valley Slurry Seal Company started developing emulsion plants and became an equipment manufacturer in 1980. And in 1990 started working with asphalt rubber. From a construction standpoint, VSS had difficulty finding equipment that satisfied its need for quality, durable, superior equipment in road maintenance. Thus, the Equipment Manufacturing Division was implemented as a solution. Then the Macropaver Division, now VSS Macropaver, was conceived and has become an international asphalt maintenance equipment provider. VSS Macropaver takes pride in the moments that have built our business and have encouraged our vision for the future. Currently, VSS Macropaver prides itself in its signature products that have earned us world-renowned respect. With high-quality components and custom options available, let's take a more in-depth look into all that VSS has to offer. The VSS Macropaver 12B is the fastest slurry machine available on the market, with average application rates that reach up to 4 tons per minute. The Macropaver 12B can effortlessly complete double the amount of work within normal time constraints.
American Asphalt has been in business for 22 years. I started this part of the business with American Asphalt in 2001, and our first machines were Macropavers. We bought 3 at that point, and we're very happy with them. We have 2 more. We have a total of 5. We feel that their production is very good, and we have not very many breakdowns at all. That's what we like about them, is they're good production machines, and we just don't have any problems with them.
2 Macropavers with a 7-man crew can output 30 to 35,000 square yards of slurry microsurfacing through continuous swapping of machines on a production site in 6 hours. When one Macropaver has completed its load, the next is right behind it, continuing where it left off, allowing the first Macropaver to reload and take its place. In the paving industry, the Macropaver is capable of covering more ground in a shortened season. The VSS Macropaver has a variety of features that all infuse together to ensure ease of operation. VSS pioneered automatic sequencing and is enabled with one touch from the operator's joystick, releasing and mixing the required solutions of aggregate, water, emulsion, and additives into the pug mill. Through constant monitoring at any delivery speed, a consistent pavement quality is achieved. Macropaver too big for the type of work your company does? The Mini-Mac is an option for tight-fit spaces that require slurry and microsurfacing. It still only requires one operator and is engineered for low maintenance with superior quality hydraulic controls. Loading for the Mini-Mac only takes 5 minutes for production rates of up to 1 ton per minute. High productivity, ease of use, and overall reliability are distinct benefits to owning a Macropaver. VSS Macropaver has an understanding and insight that only 50 years in the industry can provide. All equipment is manufactured and designed with real-life application as our gauge. We listen to our customers' feedback as a means to identify opportunities in our machine's development. As a contractor, VSS uses their own machines to ensure the delivery of top-of-the-line durability that makes sense from the operator's perspective. All items are field tested and customer approved. VSS Macropaver offers a variety of custom manufactured solutions for batch or semi-continuous emulsion production plants. Have you ever tried to put a puzzle together and you realized when you were finished that you were missing pieces that made it all make sense? VSS will put it all together for you, focusing on your business's unique need with custom plant solutions. Each VSS emulsion plant is ready for use and available in a variety of layouts, with an array of skid-mounted mill packages to select from. You can become equipped to meet numerous production requirements. Producing anionic or cationic quality emulsion using a colloid mill, VSS emulsion plants enable a new business to start quickly and easily. VSS manufactures some of the simplest plants available. Within 3 days after installation is completed, you will be operating and running your own customized emulsion plant. VSS also has laboratory emulsion mill plants, a self-contained unit made up of a heavy-duty steel cart with locking casters. The lab mill uses a colloid mill with a stainless steel rotor and stator to match the production-sized emulsion plants. Lab mills are used as a pilot or testing method for your emulsion formulations, but on a smaller scale. The best feature of the VSS emulsion plant is the personal consultation customers receive through the entire process. With expertise in asphalt, binders, and emulsifiers, VSS is capable of creating quality emulsions with raw materials provided by our customers. Whether it's to produce your own emulsion for quality or quantity purposes, VSS has a custom solution for our customers' individual needs. Using 30 years of experience in the field, VSS builds and markets asphalt rubber and polymer asphalt blending equipment. The beauty of the asphalt rubber blending system is its ability to be able to configure to produce 12.5, 25, or 50 TPH, tons per hour, of binder. If you start at 12.5, the AR system is capable of being scaled up to additional units to increase production, based on the needs of your business. Implementing the same simple yet state-of-the-art design VSS is renowned for, the Asphalt rubber blending system does not require any additional labor to perform at a higher production rate. VSS also offers a mobile solution for asphalt rubber blending systems. This is literally where the rubber meets the road. With patented technologies, VSS asphalt rubber blending systems are engineered for high mobility to reduce time and the expense of mobilization. This top-of-the-line mobile solution allows for the freedom to move from one job site to another with ease. Asphalt rubber roads are safe. Asphalt rubber has the ability to increase the traction on the roads, shed water, reduce accidents, and save lives, reduce noise, increase durability of the pavement, and are a viable means to recycling scrap tires. Recycling our waste is one way our industry can take care of our business while being conscious of the environment.
I'm Doug Hogue, Vice President General Manager of VSS Macropaver. I'm here today to tell you about our exciting new system, our telematics system for remote reporting of project information. We developed our telematics system to improve the efficiency of construction. This system provides project information in real time over the cloud to your computer, phone, or tablet. The Macropaver pushes the material production information along with GPS location up to the cloud using wireless cellular technology. It will even store the information and automatically send it if there is a loss in connectivity. Using our cloud portal, the project manager can set up the calibration information, the machines used on a project, and generate daily reports showing material usage and spread rate for the team of machines or an individual machine on a project. This saves time and allows for reporting without interruption to the crew or project.
My name is John James. I'm the operations manager here at VSS International. My duties are I run 7 slurry / micro crews and a couple chip seal crews, along with crack sealing and some other miscellaneous stuff that we do here. Here we got the telematics pulled up here on the screen, and we're currently I have 3 trucks in Lake Mead: 91147, 91151, and 91154. So we got it pulled up right here. We're looking at 91154 total tons in right now. We got 118.64 tons of aggregate laid down on the ground versus 17.74 tons of emulsion. And we paved 9,710.50 square yards there.
Hi, my name is Matt Ferguson. I'm the construction manager for VSS International. We complete over 100 projects a year in 6 western states. We use Macropaver truck mounts for all of our slurry and microsurfacing projects. Well, I mean, there's a lot of useful functions with these types of dashboards. The total aggregate tons coming out of your paver is important. The square yards that our Macropavers are placing. It gives us a real-time snapshot of what the crew's doing in the field. We're able to check in and check with our superintendents to make sure we're hitting the right spread rates and abiding by our mix designs.
VSS Macropaver is proud to introduce another major breakthrough in road maintenance products, the STV, or Slurry Transfer Vehicle. Start bidding continuous projects with your truck-mounted slurry machines, capable of loading up to 8 tons per minute of aggregate and up to 200 gallons per minute of water and emulsion, continuously, while applying slurry or microsurfacing, means high production, with no pavement joints from starting and stopping. And if the job has cul-de-sacs or lateral streets off the main streets or roads, simply disconnect the STV and use your truck mount to quickly access these areas. The STV is designed to work with all major brands of truck-mounted slurry machines. Only minor fit-up modifications are required. A robust hitch receiver tube is mounted to the front bumper or truck frame of the slurry machine. Hydraulically actuated pins on the STV engage into this tube to securely connect the STV to the slurry truck. Safety latches and a breakaway interlock are also part of the truck hitch design. Connecting to your nurse units is accomplished on the move. Simply pull up to the nurse unit, latch onto it with the STV hitch, and connect the water and emulsion hoses. Various nurse unit hitch designs are available. The STV uses a turbocharged 64 horsepower diesel engine, with engine speed controlled by the electronic controller. The engine is mounted on the opposite side of the STV from the truck driver to reduce noise. The STV utilizes a CAN bus electronic control system. The operator display control panel can be mounted in the truck cab for use by the truck driver, or mounted to the catwalk on the STV for use by the hookman. The controller is tied into sensors added to the slurry machine's water and emulsion tanks to automatically maintain proper tank levels. Aggregate water and emulsion flow rates are easily controlled by the operator to match the production requirements of the slurry operation. The electronic controller also provides various interlocks, such as setting the brakes when folding or unfolding the conveyor. For transport, the upper half of the conveyor folds to provide for legal height when hauling on a typical low-boy trailer. The STV can also be used as a standalone stockpile loader, eliminating the need for putting aggregate on the ground at the stockpile. VSS Macropaver offers the full line of Noble aggregate feeders. These feeders are equipped with abrasion-resistant liners that are long-lasting and resist buildup of sticky materials. A variety of sizes are available, with capacities ranging from 450 to over 2,400 tons per hour. Eccentric drives create a reciprocating pan movement for positive displacement material flow. Noble feeders allow precise control of material flow rates by controlling the speed of the pan. The unique dual flow design allows more material to flow through a lower profile feeder, making them ideal for tunnels and other applications where headspace is limited. Easily double your capacity by retrofitting an existing tunnel with dual flow feeders. The single flow feeders have a deeper pan that can handle larger lump sizes and raw pit material. The deeper pan also provides a shorter drop to the conveyor, minimizing belt wear. The Noble feeders are rugged, durable, long-lasting, and require minimal maintenance. VSS prides itself on building substantial relationships that turn into long-lasting friendships. We take care of our customers by providing them personal attention and great, reliable equipment. The facts are simple. Our customers like our machines, and we like our customers. With that winning combination, we have established our company as an international forerunner in the slurry industry. What do you do when our roads crumble? When they begin to crack? The answer is simple. Call VSS Macropaver. With all of our knowledge, specialization, and experience, we live and breathe asphalt road maintenance equipment. Give us a call or contact us through our website at www.slurry.com. We don't just provide maintenance equipment. We provide professional quality solutions for any pavement maintenance need.